Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable 2FA on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. And right here in the right, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, and here in the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, system, storage, sound, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and accounts. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, and so on. Click on account. And then here, you're gonna find sign in ID, security, profile, payment and subscription, address, and lastly, communication preferences. So if you want to enable 2FA, go to security. And then once you do that, go ahead and scroll down. Right here, you're gonna find two-step verification. So just go ahead and click on two-step verification. And then here, you can choose one of these options. You can either choose text message or authenticator app. So for example, I'm gonna choose text message. And then once you do that, go ahead and add your mobile number. Click on add mobile number and then just add it. And then go ahead and click on next. Once you do that, go ahead and add your mobile number, click on add, and then you're gonna be able to enable 2FA on your device. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.